Hey guys, it's Brianna, and today we're going to be talking about how to move a file onto your embroidery machine. This will be the example of if you were to buy the file online. So this is from Stitchtopia, and sometimes they do free files. So you just select the file type that you use. So since my machine is a Brother, it's a PES file. Add it to my cart, fill out all the necessary information, and select Place Order. Next, you'll see this screen which says download, so you're just going to click on the zip file to download it to your computer. Go to your downloads and move it over to the desktop. The first file is a picture of what the design is, so you don't have to worry about getting the software to show you what the thumbnail is for each file. So I'm just going to open up the first file, which is for 4 inches. You can use the free version of Embrilliance for this. It doesn't have to be the fancy version or anything like that. And it will show you on the bottom that it is good to go. It fits in the 4x4 hoop. And then the largest file size is a 9-inch file. And this is still showing you with a 4x4 hoop, so obviously this is not going to fit. If you have a larger machine, it's very adaptable as far as their sizes go. So I'm going to close this out, and we're going to use the 4-inch hoop. So I'm going to stick my geek stick in, or my thumb drive, whatever you want to call it. So mine's called Store and Go, that's just what it was named. And I'm just going to move over the file that I want to use for the embroidery. So here's the file, Stitchtopia Overthinker 4-inch. Safely eject the drive. If you have a newer computer that doesn't have a USB drive place, you will need a hub. This one comes with 2 USBs, a USB-C, a memory card reader, and an HDMI port. This one is super inexpensive, so I'll link it down in the description box so you can go check it out if you need one. Place the thumb drive into your machine, turn it on. Select the drive button right here on the bottom right and scroll until you find your design. For this stitch out, I'm going to use this cutaway stabilizer and a piece of felt. Place it into my 4x4 hoop, stabilizer on the bottom. Back on the screen, I'm going to rotate the design 90 degrees. Select the move button and move it up as far as it will go so that I can maximize my materials to be able to use them for more tests later on. And select the embroider button. Put down the presser foot and press the green button. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any suggestions on things you want to see or tips that you would like to learn, please let me know and I'll get to them as soon as I can. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!